Located in Boca Raton. A luxury residential condominium in Boca Raton. Alina 210. 9 stories, 30 exquisite corner residences, maximum of 4 residences per floor, all with direct elevator access, expansive private terraces, all with summer kitchens, double height, staffed lobby. Spa with sauna, Roma steam rooms, experience showers, hot and cold plunge pools, ice fountain, beauty treatment rooms, salon area, and private locker rooms, outdoor yoga space and meditation gardens. Fitness center with strength, functional and interactive cardio equipment, club room, screening room, business and conference room. Alina 220. Art-inspired Satift-inspired lobby with indoor-outdoor lounge, outdoor yoga space and meditation gardens. 7th floor lap pool with cabanas and hot hub, card room, club room with catering kitchen, screening room. Residences. Fully finished residences range from approximately 1,400 to 5,400 scuffed, all with expansive private balconies, private balcony with summer balcony, kitchens in all residences. Private plunge pool in select residences, private storage space available. Reserve your heaven of luxury at Alina with a simple 10% reservation deposit. Call 786-361-9956 for more information.